Hello guys, so for today's video we'll be showing you how to get different shields in Monopoly Go. So once you go to your game walkthrough, as you can see on the top right corner of my screen, I have different shields. But once you go to that feature, you can see that I have not yet acquired different shields yet, different types, but I will show you how to acquire them in a moment. So basically, we have two different ways on how to get different shields in Monopoly Go. One is when you finish your daily tasks, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the screen under wins, it should show up your daily tasks and they could give you shields as a reward. Second way on how to get shields is by doing different events. It will pop up here on the screen like city cleanup, and once you acquire those and finish the tasks required of you, they can give you shield as a reward. And there you go. That's how you can acquire shields in Monopoly Go. Shields basically protect and defend you from attacks from enemies, and so it's important to know how to get your shields. Thank you.